Okay, so we are now we are still in list sheet. So this time we're going to update the list of the names of the students in here. So as you can see, so they're in a column AG to AJ. So the names should be broken out, spelled out according to surname, first name, name extension, until middle name. Okay, so for example, for the first one, Agbon, so we're going to type here, make sure that is capital letter, Agbon, then Raymar, then Sohor. Okay, for example, that's something like that. Then Alvisa, Jan, Ray, Escobar. Then so on and so forth. Okay, so I am now done in what we call this one, updating the names of the students according to their last name, first name, name extension, and middle name. That's all. Thank you.